Good morning this Wednesday, the 1st of October. I'm Grady Wolf, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed higher on Tuesday and to end September as investors overlook government shutdown fears to post an unusually strong month of September. The Dow Jones rose 0.18% to close at a fresh record high, while the Nasdaq added 0.31% on Tuesday, and the S&P 500 ended the day up 0.41%. With a potential government shutdown looming in the US, investors have been wary about a slowing labour market, the risk of stagflation and elevated stock valuation. So although government shutdowns aren't usually market-moving events, this time we could see market movements as a result. In Europe, overnight markets closed higher, led by Germany's DAX rising 0.57%, while the STOXX 600 gained 0.5%. The French CAC climbed 0.2%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.54%. Across the Asia market on Tuesday, markets traded mixed as the latest data out of China showed manufacturing activity contracted for a sixth straight month, with the manufacturing PMI index coming in at 49.8 points. While still in contraction mode, the reading was better than economists were expecting and the strongest reading since March. Japan's Nikkei fell 0.25% on Tuesday and South Korea's Kospi index lost 0.19%, but China's CSI index gained 0.45% and Hong Kong's Seng rose almost 1% on Tuesday. The local market closed 0.2% lower on Tuesday following a lackluster session on Wall Street on Monday, and investors digested comments out of RBA Governor Michelle Bullock after Australia's central bank maintained the current cash rate at 3.6% for the next period, as was widely expected. Materials and industrial stocks bucked the trend yesterday to close higher, while energy stocks were the hardest hit amid declining oil prices. Ms. Bullock said market services inflation remains sticky and has been a key sticking point for the RBA's rate journey over the last year, adding to the difficult decisions made around Australia's rate outlook pathway. For this reason, the RBA was very content with holding the cash rate at the conclusion of yesterday's meeting for the period ahead. Seven West Media and Southern Cross Media shares rose over 7% and 6% respectively yesterday on news of a proposed merger between the Australian media giants, while Restaurant Brands New Zealand soared almost 60% after receiving a takeover offer from its majority shareholder, Finaccess Restoration, which is a Mexican company. On the commodities front this Wednesday morning, oil is trading 1.5% lower at $62.51 a barrel. Gold is up 0.33% at yet another record, $3,845.83 an ounce. And iron ore is trading 0.09% lower at $105.35 a tonne. The Australian dollar has further strengthened against the greenback and other commodities to buy 66.16 US cents, 97.82 Japanese yen, 49.17 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 14 cents. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down 0.12%, despite Wall Street's record overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Pantoro from $2.15 to $2.18 and maintain a hold rating on the Diversified Mining Services Group as shares have climbed 130% in 1 year. But some key catalysts and tailwinds, including the gold price and new contract wins, are driving strong growth outlook for the company, which led to the analyst increasing the 12-month price target and maintaining a hold rating. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Infratil following the formation of a pattern over a period of 54 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $10.73 to the range of $9.40 to $9.70, according to Standard Principles of Technical Analysis. And that's all we have time for this Wednesday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.